My name is Matt Hopfner. I'm a community manager with RBC for the Village Square Market. I look after 5 branches in Northeast Calgary, and my day involves going branch to branch, interacting with employees at different locations as well as our clients. In addition, I'm also responsible for the hiring committee for Calgary North, so we're always recruiting and looking for top talent to join our team here in Calgary. At RBC, we love to hire graduates from SAIT. They bring the educational background, communication skills, passion with them, and they're very well prepared for a career in banking and a professional working environment. So we love to see applications from SAIT students. We typically hire into our Banking Advisor Internship program, which the SAIT Financial Services programs prepare them for. SAIT provides them some of that hands-on training in smaller class sizes, which is one of the things they attribute to their success when they come out of a SAIT program. The banking industry in Canada is highly competitive. When we post for a role, we get hundreds of applications. Lots of people looking to get their foot in the door in banking. So when we're filtering through those applications, one of the things we look for is a graduate from SAIT, because as hiring managers, we can feel confident that they have that background to excel in our industry.